Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw rectangular prism, that is cuboid. So let's get started. Here we are drawing a rectangular prism of length 5 centimeters, breadth 2 centimeters and height is 4 centimeters. First we will be drawing isometric view of rectangular prism. Whenever you are drawing any isometric view, you have to draw a straight line first. See here, straight line, and then mark any point. From that you draw the lines making 30 degrees angle. See here, 30 degrees on the right side and 30 degrees on the left side. Similarly, we need to draw a perpendicular line also, that is 90 degrees. I kept the mark here 90 degrees. So first we will draw the height of the prism. Height is 4 centimeters. Here we took the mark for 90 degrees. From that we will draw a line of 4 centimeter length. 4 centimeter. Now through this point of 30 degrees we are drawing the length of the cuboid, that is 5 centimeters. So we are drawing a 5 centimeter line which makes an angle 30 degrees. Now on the left side we have to take the breadth, that is 2 centimeters. This is the point here which is making 30 degrees angle. We are drawing a line, that is breadth 2 centimeters. So this is the length, height, and this is the breadth. So this is making 30 degrees and this is also 30 degrees. So if you will take the 30 degrees angle, the isometric view will look good. Now a line which is parallel to this line, that is parallel to this height, we should draw here also with the same length, that is 4 centimeters. See here, 1, 2, 3 and 4 centimeters. Similarly from here also. So each line should be parallel to each other 4 centimeters. Now we should join these two lines and these two lines. Here and similarly here. Now we should draw one more line which is parallel to this line. So here we are drawing parallel to this line, that is the breadth 2 centimeters. Here, and now we should join these two lines. This will be the length of the prism, 5 centimeters. So this is our isometric view. Isometric view. Now we are going to draw the front view, top view and side view. As you can see, the biggest side, this will be our front view, and this is the side view, and this is the top view. So to draw these views, first we have to draw a line, and we will take 1 centimeter gap on this side and 1 centimeter this side. 1 centimeter this side and 1 centimeter this side. So parallel to this, so the front view we can see, this is our front view and its length is 5 centimeter. So we should draw a 5 centimeter line here which is parallel to the line which we did earlier. So this is 5 centimeter. So this is the front view. Height is 4 centimeters. We should draw exactly perpendicular to this line or this line. The height is 4 centimeters. 4 centimeter, and this side also same. We should draw 4 centimeter. Now join these both lines. So this is our front view. Front view is completed, and down we should draw the top view. So this is the top view. Length is 5 centimeter. So first we draw a line which is parallel to this line, that is 5 centimeter, and this breadth is 2 centimeters. Here it is 2, and this side also 2. Make sure that it will align with the top front view. And now join these two lines. So this is our top view. Now we should draw the side view. Side view is this one. We will draw on this side. Maintain some gap. You can take 2 centimeters gap. So I am taking 2 centimeters gap here, and along this line only we should draw here. That is the breadth 2 centimeters. 2, and the height is 4 centimeters. If you will practice more, you can draw without using a protractor also. It will be easy. So you should practice more to draw these isometric views. So this is our 4 centimeters, and this is 2 centimeters. You can see here, this is our front view. This is top view. This is side view. You can do the dimensioning also, and whenever you are doing the dimensioning, you should write a note. Note all dimensions. All dimensions are in mm. We should write the dimensions only in millimeters, and we should not mention that mm on the picture. So you can see here, I will be showing all the dimensions to you. So any one side you can mention the dimensions, and here also. So in mm we are mentioning height will be 4 centimeters, that is 40 mm, and the length is 50 mm, breadth is 20. Here the height is 40, breadth 20, length is 50, here breadth 20. So this side will be same with this side, and this length is same with this length. And later you can remove this 30 degrees also, as it is not necessary. So this is how we are drawing a rectangular prism. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.